This pizza was cooked in the Gozney Dome using this flour, the Napoletana flour. If this is something you like, stick around and find out how we made this pizza. What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It's the Pizza Guy John, and today's video, this is part 2 of making pizza dough using the flour, the Molina di Giovanna flour. So again, if you saw that video, give this video a thumbs up, but this is the part 2 video. I'm just going to be making a pepperoni pizza. I roasted some garlic in my Gozney Dome, and like I said, it's just going to be a pepperoni pizza. So let's go ahead and get to it. And I'm just going to go and flop this down into our semolina and stretch this out here. The dough feels nice and cool. Let's get some of that around. And again, we're just going with a simple stretch. You could hear all that air in there. Going this full stretch all the way through. Flipping it around. Alright, now it's going to go with the stretch. Get our pill out. And again, if you've tried this flour before, let me know what you think, what's your thoughts on it. Stretches pretty nicely. Again, this is at 60% or 65% hydration. 48-hour cold ferment, so it feels good. Going down with our sauce. And if you guys want me to try out some other flours, let me know. Down some Parmesan. I'm always willing to try out some new flours. Got some mozzarella, about 110 grams of mozzarella. Alright, and I have some roasted garlic here that I did put in the oven, so I'm just going to kind of break that up. Go. And let's put a little bit more. Can never go wrong with some garlic. Okay. And we're doing our pepperoni. Again, I like to do around 12, so 2, 3, 4, 5. 11, 12, and about 6 in the middle, and 1 right in the center. Give it one little stretch. All right, and we'll go straight into the oven. Like I said, it's the Gozney Dome that's been preheating now for close to an hour or so. Straight in. And we'll get this oven turned down just a little bit. And so you can see that I use the Gozney Dome a lot. Who here has purchased or looking to purchase the Gozney Arc XL or just the regular Arc? I definitely have a surprise for you all here within the next couple of videos or so. So keep an eye out for that. Well, let's go ahead, let's get this spun around. Right back in, you can see the bottom's cooking nicely. Color of that crust is looking good. Smells good. That garlic, the pepperonis, the cheese. All right, and just like that, the pizza is cooked, looking nice and cooked all the way around. So let's go ahead and get this inside. All right, so now that the pizza is cooled down, let's go ahead and let's get a cut into this. You can see this pizza looks good, nice and crispy. I'm starving, so this is gonna be really good. Crust feels nice and soft, crispy. Go ahead and get this piece right here. Nice crispy. Let's take a look at this bottom. Nice cooked all the way around. Let's get a bite of this. Again, this has roasted garlic and pepperoni. Such a delicious pizza. Again, you get the greasiness from the pepperoni. You get that roasted garlic coming straight through. The tomato sauce, the mozzarella. This dough will taste really good. Nice and sweet, crispy. This is something you guys like. Check out my channel. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John. Comment down below what your favorite part is. And we'll talk soon.